Chapter 22 Vali's Reckoning. Vali looked upon Ram with disbelief as he felt his life slip away. "Why have you done this to me, Lord Ram? My battle with my brother had nothing to do with you." Ram stepped out of the shadows. "I am Ram of the Ikshvaku dynasty. My people have been the keeper of Dharma for generations. My brother Bharat is the king of Ayodhya, and as such, I am his emissary, responsible for maintaining justice in the lands. A younger brother is to be looked upon like a son. His wife, therefore, is to be regarded as a daughter. In forcibly taking your brother's wife, you have broken dharmic law. I have delivered your sentence, Vali." Vali looked upon Ram, and now he saw the divine truth. "I see. My arrogance and lust have blinded me to my own injustice. I have strayed far from the path of righteousness." Vali turned to Sugriv and made peace with him. Sugriv in turn promised to honor Vali's dying wish. He would make Vali's son, Angad, the crown prince. Vali handed the necklace of Indra to his son, and he passed on in peace. Sugriv, now king once more, committed himself to Ram, vowing to help to find Sita. The Monkey King revealed a small pouch of jewelry his Vanaras had found. They had seen a woman in the sky drop it into the forest. When Ram opened it, his eyes filled with tears. "These belong to Sita. It is true, she was taken south, and she is still alive." Lakshmana also looked through the jewelry. While he did not recognize her necklace and earrings, he instantly recognized her anklets, the ones he had seen countless times when bowing at her feet. But now the monsoon rains had arrived, and they would have to wait 2 months before they would be able to begin the search. However, 3 months later, Sugriv, enjoying the pleasures of kingship, had not yet begun the search. Lakshmana, in a rage, entered the royal chambers and reminded Sugriv of his promise. Shamed by Lakshmana's words, Sugriv immediately summoned his 4 most trusted commanders and ordered them to form 4 search parties, each one assigned to explore a different corner of the world. The hunt for Sita had finally begun. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.